In this video, we're going to talk about what is the best platform to make money with videos, Facebook ad breaks or the YouTube partner program. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel, we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So one of the most common questions that I get is, what should I be spending my time on? Should I invest into building a Facebook page where I can make money with videos using video ad breaks, or should I start a YouTube channel and make money with a YouTube partner program? So what I'm going to do in this video is give you a breakdown of both. I'm going to tell you the requirements that you need in order to be approved for both YouTube and Facebook in order to make money with your videos. I'm also going to talk about my experience using both because I make money on a monthly basis with YouTube and Facebook at the same time. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my personal opinion, hopefully to guide you in the right direction depending on what type of content you want to make. All right, so first of all, let's talk about the requirements in order to get approved for both YouTube and Facebook. As you guys know, YouTube has a program called the YouTube Partner Program, which basically means that you can make money from the ads that play on your videos before, during, or after your video. Now, in order to get your channel monetized, what you need is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. After that, you need to go through an approval process where basically YouTube will review your channel to see if you can get approved for monetization. Now, Facebook has released something very similar called Facebook Video Ad Breaks. Facebook Video Ad Breaks is pretty much the same thing as the YouTube Partner Program. You're able to place ads on your videos, but your videos need to be at least 3 minutes long in order to be monetized. So some of the requirements in order to get approved for video ad breaks are that you need 10,000 followers on your Facebook page. You also need 30,000 1-minute views on 3-minute videos in the last 60 days. And then you need to go through an approval process just like YouTube, where they basically just review the content on your Facebook page. And if everything's looking good, then you can get approved into video ad breaks. Now, there's some major key differences between YouTube and Facebook. So for example, once you get approved for monetization with your YouTube channel, you can upload any type of videos. They could be a minute long, they could be 5 minutes long, they could be 10 minutes long, and they will get monetized. And basically, you'll be able to make money from the views that your videos get. Now, when it comes to Facebook, in order to have a video monetized, your videos need to be at least 3 minutes long. So if your video on Facebook doesn't have 3 minutes, that means no ads will be shown on that video. So you might be asking yourself just how difficult it is to hit those requirements in order to get monetized both on Facebook and YouTube. So in my opinion, getting monetized on YouTube, it's a lot more difficult, mainly because you have to grow your channel organically. You can't really just buy followers. You can't just simply get 1,000 subscribers just like that unless you hit a viral video. So for me, it took me about 3 months in order to hit those 1,000 followers and get those 4,000 hours of watch time. Now with Facebook, it's a whole different story because in my experience on Facebook, it's far easier to get monetized because not only can you grow your Facebook page extremely fast, but you can also get a lot of views extremely fast if you know what to do. And this is something that I teach in my Facebook Income School course, which is a course that has over 40 videos teaching you exactly how to make money on Facebook, how to grow a Facebook page to 10,000 likes in less than 60 days, how to find content, how to get approved for monetization extremely fast. So all this information I cover in my course. So if you guys want to check it out, there's going to be a link in the description below. So I've been able to monetize Facebook pages in basically less than 90 days. And you can typically grow Facebook pages to 10, 50, 100,000 likes in a very short amount of time, mainly because you can utilize things like Facebook ads to help you speed up the process and get lots of engagement and followers extremely fast. Now, another question that you might be asking yourself is, can you really make money with Facebook ad breaks or the YouTube Partner Program? And the answer is yes, you can definitely make some good money using both. In fact, if you go and watch this video, you can see my YouTube earnings for the previous month where I got a bunch of views and I made some money from the YouTube Partner Program. You can also go and watch this video where I talk about how much money I've been able to make in a single month using the Facebook Video Ad Breaks program. And yes, you can definitely make some good money if you have multiple Facebook pages, especially if you have a bunch of videos that are going viral on Facebook and are generating thousands of new views every single day. When you compare that to having a YouTube channel where most people only have one YouTube channel, then with Facebook you have more possibilities of making more money a little bit faster, But with YouTube, you also have the possibility of building an audience and making money in multiple ways, not just with the YouTube Partner Program. So a lot of people ask me, what do I recommend? Should I start a YouTube channel? Should I start a Facebook page? And I would say if you have the ability to create your own content, if you already have a YouTube channel, you're already uploading videos on YouTube, then you can utilize that same content and make money with a Facebook page. You can grow that Facebook page to 10,000 followers. You can get those 30,000 1-minute views that you need in less than 60 days. It's not difficult to do. You can monetize your videos on both and make money from both. Now, if you don't create your own content, there's still a possibility for you to make money using videos. There's a lot of people on YouTube who make a lot of money using other people's content, so the same thing happens on Facebook. The one thing that you need to know how to do is basically how to find that content and how to utilize that content properly in a way that you're not breaking any terms, you're not actually stealing other people's content, you're asking for permission, and you're recreating that content into something brand new. If you learn how to do this, if you're able to do this, you'll be able to make money not just with Facebook, but with YouTube at the same time. So do I recommend starting a Facebook page? Again, starting a YouTube channel? I would say you can do both at the same time. Even if you're using other people's videos, you can definitely make money on YouTube and Facebook at the same time. Now, can you make more money on YouTube than uploading your content on Facebook? It just depends on the topic of your videos, the niche of your channel or Facebook page, because some topics actually pay more money than others, and also depends on the type of audience that you have. But the good news is once you learn how to do this, you can replicate this multiple times, meaning that you can set up multiple YouTube channels in different topics and different niches, and you can do the exact same thing on Facebook. And this is something that I teach in my course, because you never want to depend on a single source of income. You want to diversify as much as possible, and if you can set up multiple Facebook pages, multiple YouTube channels, and if one goes down, at least you're going to have a second source of income. So guys, I really hope that all of this made sense. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.